Okay, so I got my tester and my ultra snap. So you just take it out, and I'm going to take samples of the keyboard because you use it every day, and you should clean your stuff every day. You can see where some of the ones are a little dirtier. Okay, put it back in here. You just gotta click it, okay? Then I'm gonna put it in, and then you press OK so you can get a reading. Okay, so the reading is at 426. Okay, now I'm going to spray HandySani. You can spray it directly on there, but I'm gonna put it on here, and then I'm going to clean my keyboard because it was gross. See, you don't realize on a daily basis how much you use things and we forget to clean them, right? It's gross. Okay, so now and repeat the same process. So you just take the swab out. Same process. Snap it, squeeze. Okay. Put it back in. Okay. It took it all the way down to 64, okay? 64, guys. There is a natural way to do things. This is it.